Hi Rohan. Play-Doh? ఏదమ్మా Play-Doh? Dora ఏది Rohan? Over there? Dora ఎక్కడ పెట్టావు? Here? Dora hair ఏది? Over there? And where is Sanjana? Sanjana నీ గ్లాసెస్ ఎక్కడమ్మా చూపి. అమ్మకి గ్లాసెస్ చూపి. అక్కడ చూపి. దీంట్లో వేసుకొని చూపి. Where your glasses?
Now open my glasses.
You want to open your glasses? Tamu? Dora ni తోస్తున్నావా? What are you doing, Tamu? చెప్పు.
This is two Rohans.
This is two Rohans?
Yeah.
I can see only one Rohan. Where is Sanjana?
I want this.
Sanjana, school lo ఏ సాంగ్ పాడాలి చెప్పు. Okay, Amma will sing. Amma will sing. But you sing that song.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And the honey farm had a chick. E-I-E-I-O. And the cluck there, and the cluck there, and the cluck there, cluck. Cluck. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And the honey farm.
Happy birthday పాడు. Happy birthday పాడు.
E-I-E-I-O. And the kick there, and the kick there. Kick. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And the honey farm had E-I and honey farm hi Baba sheep. E-I-E-I-O. And the spider and the badger. Abba. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And the honey farm had a chick. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, good job Sanjana. Good job. Rohan, happy birthday పాడు.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Aska. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yeah, good job.
Rohan, where is Nana?
Oh, yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
Office?